Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Warren. I'm co-founder of Mindify AI. Today we're going to share with you how to build a live OS system. So have you ever wondered like how to build a live organization system? So like you can organize your life align with your purpose and have a meaningful mission moving forward. Today we're going to show you how to build it using Notion from 0 to hero. So this is my personal version from 2024 OKR tracker to 2025, and we have meaningful mission over here. So you can see here it's pretty complete, and we have OKR tracker, so you can manage your objective key result and a lot of more things. So we're going to show you how to build this along with the Notion calendar, so that you can manage your life as well very easily. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to the Live OS template over here. So today what we're going to do is give you a tour on what are the components that's included within the Live OS system. So first of all, we have first component is dashboard. Dashboard is the like indicator of our progress toward entire year. So we can visualize our progress. And our one is called main information. Main information is a like a declaration or statement that we design to identify in our direction that we want to do moving forward to our life. So I'm here to transform knowledge into impact through research and advanced understanding, technology that empowers people in love that builds a meaningful life. My mission is to grow into a man of wisdom, a founder of purpose, and a partner and father of presence, bringing strength, clarity, and clear. As for my personal mission, I want to do that, and I'm doing it every single day. So to do that, we're gonna move on to the live kernel. Kernel is a core software that runs an operating system for your computer. And so pretty much the same idea. We have mission, OKR, tracker, or you can call it OKR manager. Sorry. So we can let me just here we go. Turn to page. Cool. So we have OKR tracker, project manager, review records, have daily review, monthly review, and so forth. Second brain that help us to review and manage our personal knowledge management systems. Again, and calendar that we're gonna use to build our calendar view. So we're gonna build our calendar so they can manage it with Notion calendar. It's very easy. And so that's pretty much it. And we'll see you in the next series of entire Live OS templates. So we're gonna start with mission and OKR tracker and to build our Live OS system. Thank you.